there we go. Triggered on that. $45-minute trade. Let's see. Don't have any 5-minute levels here. Good liquidity grab. Instant rejection, gotta love gold. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to look at. What's the instant rejection, if it's from, if I missed anything. That was 12 pips. Yeah, it was. I don't see that we rejected anything. Like, this is the only thing on actually 1 minute is up here until we have any sort of problems. This 5 close is important though. 7 seconds. I prefer this 5 close bullish, not bearish. Yeah, not ideal close. We wanted it to close above. Give us that close up. But then it's hard to re-enter if you get out and wait for the 5 close. Now we need the 1 minute to put in a higher low. Or stop me out as well. It's also obviously always an option in a trade, is it could just come and stop you out. We're not gonna have upside volume today. But we'll see. This looked like, the difficult thing here is we can't say that there wasn't volume because the way that we broke was very aggressive. Like, that was massive volume. The problem is now we've died of volume right now. Like, we've come back into the range, you know, and now we've died of volume. It can go for another liquidity grab. Yeah, the problem is we don't have good stop loss here for another liquidity grab. Like, when we get such a deep bottom wick at the open, like, why do we need to go down again? Like, we had a bottom wick all the way down. We had a bottom wick that retested the previous range, flipped and broke the high. 1 hour high was also broken now. 30-minute high, of course, is broken. 30-minute range has been retested. 5-minute liquidity grab below previous 5-minute structure. 5-minute re-break of high. 5-minute break of highest high. 1 minute as well. Came back in range. So too much, man. Like, for us to go again, it's very hard to manage as well. But that's not a good sign when you see this. And sometimes it instant breaks, snapbacks, then push, you know. But it's so super hard to manage this right now like this. I'm just trying to think how I want to manage this, but I don't really see a management at the moment here. Unless I had bigger stops, I need bigger stops. Like down here. I can manage this in 2 minutes though. If 2 minutes this breaks structure, I can manage, yes. But if before that, no management here. So let's see. Retest of 30, it's retested it though. It shouldn't need to test it again and again. I mean, hopefully it protects us now. You know, we want to see like some sort of volume come in here. We manage this one with the pray and hope strat. No, we have all probabilities on our side. If it doesn't play out, it doesn't play out. I don't see anything different I could have done unless I just don't show up to the charts today. You know, we have our break of structure here. We have our retest. We have 1 hour as well, closing bullish. We have the 1 hour break of high. We have everything here. We have 30-minute structure. It's not like we're lacking 30-minute structure. We have range. When market positioning wise, this is some of the best market positioning. We are buying at the low of our overall range, 1 hour time frame lows of our overall range. We have here, we have liquidity grab. So it's a lot of confirmation. So how long to this 40 seconds-ish. So we wanted to see this now 1 minute give us some upside. Otherwise, I can look to manage on this 5. So we'll see here in about 30 seconds. Does it close below or does it close above? That is going to be the question. It's a big reaction there from the lows right before the close here. Oh, but it failed again. All right, so we're still respecting here, which is interesting. Ah, don't do it like that. Don't do it like that. We want it to give us some sort of management here. A lot of sellers and buyers here, right? There's a lot of buyers from the bottom of the range, and there's a lot of sellers here as well. Because we snap back twice here. I do think that the sellers are a little bit more in control right now. But until we lose this range, I'm trying to contemplate if we get this 1 minute candle closing below here. If that's enough to manage. Like 7 seconds here, we get a 1 minute candle close below. I'm just scared it respects these wicks and goes up. Like that. You know, you close when it breaks the low, and now it starts to respect. Did you get my last text message? Where did you message? About the swing? Yeah. Have you noticed something, brother? What have you noticed? Can you tell me something that you noticed? What am I doing right now? Trading, yeah. So can you give me some respect? Because it's a luxury to be sitting here while I'm trying to do my job and make money and trade. So instead of asking me, did you receive my last text? Maybe ask me during a webinar that's why I do those webinars, all right? Like, let's be a bit more smart here. This is serious time. We're not here to fuck about, eh? This is what we're here for, is to trade, focus on trading. I'm not gonna mess about and be asked and be told, hey, did you get my last message, when I'm sitting here in a trade trying to concentrate. I'm not playing with baby money. I'm risking $2,000 here. Some people don't earn $2,000 in a month. So I want to be fully locked in and make sure that whatever happens here in the market, that I can be aware and not be trying to concentrate on something else. Because if there's a chance for me to save $1,000 here, it makes sense. There we go. Now I lost. So unlucky with that one there.